Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer iCloud photos to Google Photos directly. So first of all, what you have to do is open a website or a URL called privacy.apple.com. Now it will ask you to sign into your Apple ID. So you have to provide your email of your iCloud and password. Now once you're signed in, you will land on this page. What you have to do is find an option called transfer a copy of your data. So I will click on request to transfer a copy of your data. Now it will load. It will take some time. Now choose what you'd like to export. So I will select iCloud photos and videos. Click on next. Now as you can see, I have 0 photos and videos on my iCloud, but if you have any photos, you have to click on continue and next page will open. On that page, it will ask you where do you want to transfer your iCloud photos. Simply select the drop down menu and select Google Photos and click on submit, and that's it. Your iCloud photos will be transferred to Google Photos directly without any third-party software. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.